Hey friend, I am really glad that you're here with me today because I am really excited to share what I'm going to be up to in the coming weeks and months. As I begin to grow my community, ProEmpowerment Online, I am in the process of creating one of the world's most powerful life transformation platforms to help you step into your greatness. I am creating an environment containing powerful, transformative, life-changing content that surrounds a heart-centered community of like-minded individuals. A place where we can create and co-create in a very welcoming and safe place. Whether your transformation is just beginning or if it's seeking to take you to a new level, you'll gain more certainty, clarity, and the feeling of belonging. In addition to my free community forum online, I'll also have online courses that are available there to help you to step into your greatness. Some of them are free, some of them will require an investment, but no matter. When you apply the content that I'm sharing, you're going to experience something different and something powerful. In the future, I'll continue to increase the online offerings there and include other courses from powerful subject matter experts that will help you to move forward and succeed in experiencing the life that you're being called to live into. So if this sounds like an online community that you would like to become a part of, I'm inviting you to come check it out. It's 100% free to join. In your browser, just type proempowerment.online/home. That's the link. I invite you to go into your browser and type it. And when you do, I'll have a special bonus to share for those people that join today. After joining, go into the courses section and download my free ebook, Breakthrough: 8 Strategies to Change Anything About Your Life. This ebook is free to download to all new members that join today, and it'll be such a fantastic way to get yourself focused and started. So again, I invite you to join me. Go to proempowerment.online/home. And without any further ado, let's begin living into what we're being called to do together. I'm excited to be with you on this journey and to connect with you in the ProEmpowerment Online community.